Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washer and the portable washing machine 15.8 L mini washer. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and ideal use cases to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment or need a portable solution for travel, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washer offers a substantial 11 pounds capacity, making it suitable for daily household laundry. In contrast, the portable washing machine, with a capacity of 15.8 liters, is designed for smaller loads, perfect for washing delicate items like socks and baby clothes. This difference in capacity highlights the target audience for each product, with the COMFEE catering to those needing a more robust solution. In terms of portability, the COMFEE is a larger, heavier unit weighing 79.4 pounds, which makes it less portable and more suited for permanent setups. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is incredibly lightweight at just 4.5 pounds and features a foldable design, making it ideal for travel, camping, or small living spaces. This significant difference in portability will influence your choice based on your lifestyle needs. Price is another critical factor to consider. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washer comes with a higher price tag of $345, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. In contrast, the portable washing machine is priced at just $79, making it an affordable option for those who need a basic washing solution. This price difference may significantly impact your decision, especially if you're on a budget. In conclusion, the choice between the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washer and the portable washing machine 15.8 L mini washer ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a full-featured, high-capacity washing machine for regular use, the COMFEE is the better option. However, if you prioritize portability and affordability for small loads, the portable washing machine is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.